The 31st official World University Games is underway in China's Chengdu. Members of the German delegation have spoken highly of the Games, believing that it's so well planned and organized that it's comparable to the Olympic Games.
Because I go to the Olympic Games too in winter and in summer times, and I think here in Chengdu it's like Olympia. Olympic Games with the village and the dining halls and the shuttle service and the opening ceremony, comparable to the Olympic Games.
We're so happy that we can come to China and enjoy the very, very, very well organized games. The village is gorgeous. We love it here so far, really.
About 6,500 athletes from 113 countries and regions are pursuing their dreams in the southwestern Chinese city. During the Games, they are staying in the University Village, which offers top-notch services in catering, fitness, commerce, leisure, and cultural exchange. The German athletes say everything in the village is planned and designed perfectly to give athletes the best experience.
The thing that impressed me the most is the general vibe that is in this village, and all the volunteers that are really motivated to make the best thing and to try to give us the best experience that we can have, and it's really great.
My first multi-sports event, and I mean the village is really big and the organization is really big, so I'm really impressed and I'm happy to be here and taking part of this event.
Yeah, I mean, I was walking around here in the village and discovered that you are exposing different activities and also kind of museum with Chinese art and so on. Yeah. I'm not too familiar with that, but so specifically for myself, some members of my family are very keen on arts, and I bought some calligraphy tools for them, some colors and tools to draw and so on. So I hope that they will be very happy about that.